I'm Matthew, and today we're doing a bit of bait fishing down at the lower part of the Condamine River in Warwick. So let's see what we can catch. Hey, you stay there. You're watching Fishing with the Boys. On this rod here, I've got 15-pound braided line to 80-pound leader line with a running hook and sinker and worms. And he can go out there. Pop him in that one, and on my other rod over here I've got, it's a bit of a heavier setup, 80-pound main line to 80-pound leader, and it's just weightless. So for those who don't know what weightless is just pretty much the same as that, but without a sinker. So it's just a hook with a bit of cheese on it. And he can go out there and we'll see what we can catch. Decided to go downstream 2 or 3 kilometers because the fish in the other spot were not biting. So this is my worm rod, and he can go in there. And the heavier setup and Mr. Cheese can go out there. And he can go in there and we'll see what we can catch. Had some bites on the worm rod. Now we'll see if he comes back. Well, we're on the board. Oh, it's a nice little yellow. I'm on the board with the little yellow. Oh, it might be easier down here. Do a bit of release video. Gone.